doesn't look that great now, but we're going to change that. Hover over your website name and go to Customize. Click on Typography. And under Theme Typography, you now have About, Headline, Font Control. Click on Edit, and let's get all of the settings. I think the font family, again, is Roboto. Okay. The font weight and style is 100. If we go to Appearance, the font color is the same, but we are putting in a background color. So let's put in a background color, and let's make it all the way white. All right, we can't see it now, but we will be able to. For the letter spacing, let's space it out a little more at 2 pixels. And sorry for the whoopsie daisy. For the font size, let's go to something bigger, like 23. All right, and all of these settings are over here. If we look over here, 23, white, 2 pixels, letter spacing. Margin top, let's do 174, about, doesn't need to be perfect. Margin top, 174, it's starting to look better. All right, and margin bottom, 316. Margin bottom, 316, about. 15 is good, 315 is fine. Now we want a little padding, and padding is different from margin because padding is on the inside. So we want this white box to go a little further to the left, a little further to the right. So padding left 10, padding right 10, and it doesn't need to be perfect. So left 10 about, 11's good, and 11. Okay, so now that is looking a lot better. So click on Save and Publish. And then go back. But as we can see that it doesn't go all the way across. And that's because we didn't make this a full width page. So if we click on Edit Page, we did make it full width here, but if we go on, click on the wrench and click on Edit Row, if we go to Layout, we need to make this full width also. Press Save and Update. And we can view our page. And we can see that the page is starting to look really awesome. The next thing I want to do is get some text below here. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on Edit Page. And let's add a new row. So add row. This time we're going to do 3. And we're going to put 70% in the middle. And 15 and 15. And press Insert. Alright, now let's add a visual editor to the middle. Add widget. Scroll down, visual editor, and press Edit. Okay, now let's paste in some text. Make sure you click on the Text tab. Go over here, copy this in, and paste it. Alright, now we could go back to the visual editor and we can highlight everything and we can center it. So this should be starting to get real easy for you. Then press Done. Okay, and press Update. And now we can go to Settings and Google Fonts. And we need to remember what this is called. This is called About-Text. So we're going to create a new Google font, and we're going to name this About Text. Create Google font, and put a dot before it, dot about dash text. And I just click Tab to register it. You can click off somewhere. Then press Save Font Control. All right, let's go back to our website, and let's go to About. And now we have this text here. It looks okay, but we want it to look amazing. So let's make it look amazing by going to Customize. We now have that new Google Font Control. If we click on Typography and Theme Typography and go to About Text. Now we keep on using Roboto, so let's continue with that and click on it. There we go. And let's see the different options. So we can scroll down here. And so we have Roboto 122 and 125 and 125. So Roboto 100, text size, font size 22 about. Positioning, margin 125. Goes bottom 125. Alright, so it's nice in the middle right there. And that looks really good. Do we have anything else? Nope. Okay, press save and publish. And let's go back. And we can see that the website is looking really good now. The next thing that I want to do is add 3 boxes here. One of my dog, one of me, and one of my wife, Jennifer. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's click on Edit Page. And let's add a new row. So add row. And let's make it 33, 33, 33. Press Insert. Click on the first column and press Add Widget. Then Visual Editor. And go ahead and press Edit. And let's add a spacer in here that is 250 tall. 250 tall. And then let's click on the design and instead of background image display, let's do cover. And let's actually, before we do that, let's save this, the cover, done. And let's duplicate this because they're all going to be the same. So just click this. Click, hold, and drag to the center. Click, hold, and drag to the right. All right, now we can edit this, and let's upload. Make sure this is cover. Upload Stella first, my dog. All right, so select image, go upload files, select files, and let's go to Stella. All right, that's all done. Press done. And done. Okay, let's click edit. Let's upload me by clicking on design. Make sure this is cover, background image, select, upload files, select files. Let's find where I am. Tyler Beach. There it is. Open. Press done. And done. And let's go to edit and design, and let's upload my wife Jennifer. Alright, so let's select image and upload files, select files,